everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change email address on Bluesky app. To change the email address, first of all, you need to open the Bluesky app on your phone. Once you open it, make sure you are logged into your Bluesky account. When you are logged in, you will land on the home page of Bluesky. Now here on the top left corner, you can see three horizontal lines. Tap on those lines. And you can see the last option here is settings. Go to settings from here. Now you can see many options like account, privacy and security, moderation and so on. Now you need to go to account from here. Here on the top you can see the email that you have created your account with. Now to change the email you need to tap on change email option right over here. Here in this box you can see your previous email address. Now replace it with the new email that you want to have for your Bluesky account. Once you are done, tap on request change. Once you do that, Bluesky will send a mail to your previous email address that includes a confirmation code. So what you need to do is to go to the mail app on your phone, then look for the new mail that you have received from Bluesky, open the mail, and here you can see the code. Now copy the code from here. Once you copy the code, now go back to the Bluesky app and then paste that code in here. Once you are done, you need to tap on confirm change. And that's it, your email is updated. Now you will need to verify your new email, which is important. So you need to tap on send confirmation email option right over here. Once you do that, it will send a mail to your new email address with a confirmation code. Now you need to go to the mail app again and then open the confirmation mail from Bluesky. Here you can see the code. Now copy the code from here. Once you copy it, go back to the app and now paste that code in here. Once you're done, tap on confirm and that's it, your new email address is verified. So this is how you can change email address on Bluesky app. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thank you for watching.